What's up friends, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to insert a video into your Google Slides presentation. So at any point in time you want to insert a video, you can easily do that. Now I'm going to use a blank slide here just to show you how to insert it, but you can really do this on any slide of your choice, right? So you just want to go ahead and go to insert, and you have the option to insert video. So you click on the video. Now from here you can either choose a YouTube video, or you can easily go ahead and look for something on your drive. If you don't have anything on the drive, you can always go ahead and upload something to your drive, right? And you can easily go ahead and upload those videos to your drive. But once you find something, all you have to do is just simply click on that, click on insert. I'm going to choose one of these ones, and as you will see right here that it insert this video.
Share
You can
mode. So
even
you can
choose if you
easily
want to mute the video track, if you want to do that when you have the video there, or if
show
you want to have it
screenshots
play
in
out
Android
normal, you
share
can have
mode,
it like
and
that
that's
as
going to
well.
allow you to
You
use
can
direct
choose how you
share.
want
And
to have
that's
it
it,
play,
guys.
play
Very
and
easy and
click,
very
or
simple.
you can choose if you want it to play automatically. I would say, like, as I in the previous video, I showed you how to basically download your PowerPoint presentation as videos or as an MP3, MP4 video. What I would recommend, if you have videos embedded in your PowerPoint presentation or your Google Slide presentation, and you want this to play automatically, I would recommend that you have it play automatically whenever your presentation video is going on and you reach to that particular slide. The video will be played automatically. So that's how you would do that. So keep that in mind. If at any point in time you want to download your presentations and to convert them into video, that the videos that you
In this
embed
video,
or
I'm going to
add
show
within
you
your presentations, you want to ensure that those videos are set to play automatically and not on click, right? So that you will be able to have those play. That's the best way how to do it, right? You can choose the start and end time and all that good stuff. But that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple how to embed videos in your Google Slide presentation.